Storefront by storefront, block by block, cities rise, communities grow. This is an American success story.
I'm Keith Gregory of Baker Home Exteriors, and this is our story. Baker Home Exteriors has been part of the community for over 100 years, giving back in ways big and small. For many years, we've supported the Salvation Army with our time and resources. A little over a year ago, Hurricane Helene devastated the Asheville area. We partnered up with Operation Raise the Roof. It was just a really uplifting and encouraging experience to help our veteran family in need. We want to be part of the community, whether that's in Raleigh, Durham, Asheville, Winston-Salem, or even beyond. I feel privileged to be able to lead a company that is so supportive of nonprofits that are truly out there engaged in helping our community to be better each and every day. Being part of the community and serving our neighbors is at the heart of everything we do.
Baker Home Exteriors, an American success story.